Hi, this is Dave Philippi, and as you probably know, with each new upgrade, there's usually a feature or two that's worth the price of that particular upgrade. And we have two of those with this release of FabCAD 2019. First, we have a new command. It's called Drawing Compares right here on the ribbon panel. So if you do any collaborative work, you'll really like this one. So I click on the command, and I can go in. I'm going to bring in an existing drawing, and then a second drawing, and then I click Compare. And when I do that, the program opens up a separate drawing and also a ribbon with a lot of tools in it. Now, as you see here, the green is drawing 1, and the red is drawing 2, and the gray is common to both. So you're basically overlaying one drawing on top of another. And so you can see what changes were made in whichever drawing that you want to deal with. So that's what Drawing Compare is all about. The second feature has to do with scaling viewports. So let me go to a viewport here. And so if I click on this viewport, you notice there's two new grips. The square one is for moving, and this is a pull down which gives you scales. So you want to say set it for 1/4 inch equals a foot. You notice when I do that, not only does it zoom the image down to be 1/4 equals a foot, but also the viewport changes scale also. So I like this one because you can see exactly what kind of effect it's going to have on the sheet itself. So when I go up to 1/2 inch equals a foot, I can tell that it's not going to work on this particular sheet. So I'll just set it back down to 3/8. But as the info commercial says, but wait, there's more. So you probably already noticed that the ribbon icons are easier to see. They've been flattened to a 2D wireframe configuration, which makes the images much cleaner. At the bottom of the screen, you'll also notice how clear the status icons look and how easy it is to tell when they're active or not. See, when you light up, the whole box lights up. A lot easier to see. Some back office improvements include faster importing of PDFs and better graphic performance, which will reduce the number of regens required, as well as reduce memory conflicts that can cause crashes. There are also some back office improvements in the AutoRail program, some minor bug fixes and better performance. Pickets are now shown in plan view in horizontal rails, stair rails, and fences. Here's a little sample of it up here. We've added the pickets in there. There's a change in the stair rail program too. We'll add a landing. You notice there's a little square by this post that turns that post off and on. So having this kind of post control is great for situations where no post is desired, where the rail breaks. For those of you who have older versions, we now have horizontal member options for gates and fences. This is especially useful for those of you who fabricate louvers and shutters. So I go in here, click on here, pick that, click draw. You can adjust the height of the side verticals. Click next, draw. There's the louver. It also generates a side view showing the louvers here. And that's how they look from the front view. For more information about new features from earlier versions, just go to YouTube and search for FabCAD 2018 or earlier. Ordering is easy. Just go to FabCAD.com, click on Pricing and Ordering, and at the bottom you will see the upgrade pricing. Or you can just call us at 800-255-9032. Take care. Bye.